You.
You? Me?
370. I don't know. I want to race some GTRs, but
There's some, but I hear,
yeah, there's some fast ass GTRs. But I saw like a semi-stock one. I'm trying to race that one.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna lose it. Bro.
If it falls.
It's probably gonna fall right now.
Look, he's wearing next merch. Ah.
Test that 360 camera. I hope it doesn't fall off my trunk. But I think we're gonna race this guy next. C7, I think Z06, and it's cammed. You can hear the freaking cam. And he has a freaking gap cam. Look at this. Next up is this GTR, the silver one. I don't know what he has done to it. Probably full bolt-ons like me, so should be a pretty close race, I hope. It sounds good. I don't know what he has done to it. Ah, he got the jump. Damn it! I gotta just start jumping, bro. Next is his homie in the Hellcat. He said he watches the vlogs, which is kind of cool. He said his Hellcat makes 800 though, so probably gonna get gapped again. I think it's a red eye too, bro. Don't the red eyes have those hoods? I'm getting gapped for sure. Well, this shit completely broke. It broke. Good thing I didn't lose my camera. I knew that Hellcat was gonna beat me, bro. Guys, I'm getting gapped left and right, huh? I'm telling you guys, there's fast cars here. They're not playing here. But hopefully the vlog's coming out cool. Shout out to Jordan for filming a bunch of stuff on the sidelines. He's filming all the races. Hopefully he's getting good footage. Smash the like button right now if you guys are enjoying this video. I appreciate it. Look at this, guys. Bro, it sounds like my E46, literally, with the hood exit. All right, guys. He said it's gonna be a good race. Sam was telling me that this new M3 has everything done. Pretty much full bolt-on, new M3. So we'll see, full bolt-on versus full bolt-on. New M3, guys, it's pretty crazy. Good start. We're literally dead even. That shit's fast, dude. Oh. Is it fast?
Upgraded turbos.
It's sick.
40 or 50?
50.
You said whatever you want, sissy.
50. Yeah, 50.
Got him again!
That guy should have fixed the fights out here. Whoa, my car's cutting out a lot. Like a lot. Yeah, that does not feel right. Oh yeah, something's wrong with it. Oh fuck, that's not good. my car does not feel right. I told Sam about it. He's like, just let it cool down. Maybe it's just really hot. I hope it's just really hot. I hope I didn't blow my motor. That'll be horrible. But it was driving like shit that last one. We're about to get some food. I'm starving. Crap, bro. That Viper is insane. My God, bro. This wing is insane. I need to do that. Bro, I need to do this rear bumper too. Holy shit. That is one of the sexiest GTRs I've seen. Holy shit, bro. I knew you was about to do that shit. Stuart, what happened, bro?
Yo, bro, I got the worst luck with this fucking car, bro.
There was a huge gust of wind, guys.
I fucking replace this shit.
It was like a tornado, literally. It was so windy all of a sudden. Look what happened.
I got lucky that my windshield's tinted, bro.
The hood flew open, bro.
If this shit wasn't tinted, bro, this should probably go through.
Oh my God, dude, I can't even believe that shit happened. Look at this. The hood flew open. Oh no, dude. That sucks. That's exactly what happened to my E46, remember?
Yeah, driving that shit on the fucking street.
We're on the street, me and Jordan, the hood just flew open. And my E46 hood is just like that. It's all fucked up. That hood is nice. And it's turbo too. Look at Joseph over there.
Come on, Jordan. Come on, Jordan.
Look at this dude.
Run he did was powerful, bro.
Sissy.
Freaking Sam. Oh, Sam won again. Sam just gapping everybody. 720? It's so quiet, bro. Come on, Sam. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was 720. Sam really beat it. So now Sam moves on to the next car. I wonder what they're gonna give him next. Let's see, this is like the final pretty much. Sam versus a Fox body. Oh yeah, you got it. Got it. Now it's the competition, bro.
Better gap some fools?
No, I'm about to get gapped. The Supra's in the same competition with me. Now it's like a competition. So let's say if I had to race that guy, me and him would race. Whoever wins goes on to the next level. Hopefully my car drives good. I hope. GT350. I'm gonna get gapped. I might have jumped. I thought I heard the Mustang take off. That's why I took off. I guess I'm staying. Oh my God. This shit's fun though, guys. I've never been to like a drag race event. I want to take my GTR to like Irwindale to like actually drag racing. This is roll racing. If you guys want to see that video, comment down below. I think these racing videos are pretty sick. I think the drag strip is more scarier, honestly, because you got to time it with the light and everything. Bro, I think I'm racing the Viper, guys. I'm not even joking. No way they put me against a 1400 horsepower Viper. That's not even fair, bro. I'm jumping on it, boys. Yeah, right, bro. Yeah, right, bro. 1400 horsepower Viper, guys. Bro, it's like 3 times faster than my car. Bro, I'm about to get gapped so bad. There's no even point of anti-lag. Look. God damn, bro. Oh my God, dude. That shit is fucking crazy. Yeah, right, bro. There's not even a chance, dude.
I'll be happy losing to this Viper.
Well, that's probably gonna be the last run today, guys. That shit was super fun. Honestly, I'm down to race that Viper. That was fun. When will I ever get to race a 1400 horsepower Viper? I think it's 1800, bro. I think that's what they said. I don't even care if I get gapped, bro. sick as fuck, bro. Almost had him, bro.
1,800 horsepower.
18? I knew it. That's what I was saying.
I think they're both 18, I heard.
I almost had the Viper.
Almost had it.
I was right there.
Very close, bro.
Bro, how much horsepower that should have?
1,800.
1,800? Yeah, right, bro. Guys, that GT500 came up to us right now and he wants to race again. He was kind of mad, huh?
A little salty.
He came up to us and he was like, yo, can I run the GTR one more time? Because I don't think it was a fair start. And I knew that. I told him, I was like, I know, I think I jumped, bro. But he's like, nah, let's run it one more time if they let us. So this shit is crazy. Nitrous in it.
Nitrous.
That's who Sam's gonna race against. We'll see. Sam has to go against that crazy ass Corvette. This is top 8. He made it to top 8, so pretty crazy. If he beats the vet, then he goes to like top 4, I think. Oh shit. Guys, these are all the fast guys. Literally the fastest cars of today. GTR versus Viper.
GTR by photo finish.
Damn, GTR by that much probably. Go, Sam! This dude stands in 4th place, bro. He made top 4. Oh my god, these cars are fast. Again, bro. Still sick, bro. How fucking Sam's keeping up with it. 4th place. Still not bad, bro. Out of 120 cars, dude. That's insane. Look, Sam beat these McLaren 720s, all these vets. 1st and 2nd place right here.
What do you think, white or black?
I think the black one's winning. Aw, not a good start. God damn, bro. Bro, 4th place. That's not bad, bro. I'm freaking tired. We've been here since
Woke up at 8.
like 8 in the morning. Grab it, Sam. Sam, what kind of car came in first though?
Huh?
What kind of car came in first?
I was thinking
Oh, it was an accident. Because I let it come in first.
First and second. GTR.
Oh, yeah. $5,000 setup.
I know. Oh, isn't that crazy? Like this shit is keeping up with the Vipers, bro. Like that's insane. Guys, it says 1,700 horsepower GTR. That's goals, bro. Maybe one day, huh? But we should have asked him how much money you think you put. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, bro.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Boy, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that.